Rere kaunti ya Garissa egomeirwo ni wa gukua ugitiri munene wa DCI Mohamed Amin oriti aikari manyitane na honge cia ugitiri niguo kugacirithia mubango wa kuiga thayo mwena ucio. Ni atariria ati makiria ma kaunti ithatu cio Garissa, Wajir na Mandera icemanagia na tharikira cia itoi cia Al-Shabab iria icungagiriria ikuo cia magana ma maabitha a kuiga thayo hamwe na aikari.
Nairobi huwa tunapata ripoti ya crimes all over the country. Lakini mimi nikishaangalia crime ya Northeastern, Southern nafikiri is among the most peaceful town and communities in Garissa. Very peaceful indeed. Crime levels ya Southern is very minimal. So vile kama nachuria amesema, let us maintain peace. We are bordering Somalia, over 800 kilometers border stretch.
Akiaria esa kagiciko mbuge kia Barbara kumana kuhikura muthigiti wa masjid, Amin atariria ati ito cia Al-Shabab ikoretwo ciri thu nene kuri bururi hamwe na dini kuria ongereire na kuga wagi wa thayo ni uhikagiriria uthii wa na mbere kaunti-ini icio. Amin ona ukiri uguo ahoete aikari manyitanire hamwe niguo kuhukia na kuinina itoi ici, akiongerera na kuga no muhaka muingi unyitanire na maabitha a kuiga thayo niguo kweheria thu ciao.
We must at every one given time be able to account for the whereabouts of our children. We have got foreign jihadists, people crossing over to foreign land. So let us be able to account for our children.
Manyitanire na munini wake Omar moriti aciari makoragwo makimenya kuria ciana ciao ire, kwanania amwe ao ni makoretwo magikuruhanio na gikundi kia Al-Shabab, undu uria urituhagia firigiceni eno.
Al-Shabab na dini ni kitu tofauti sana. Al-Shabab, they are enemies of our religion. Ni kweli? And let us work hand in hand with all the law enforcement agencies so that we are able to make Saka town safe and secure.
Handu-ini ha Muthiki TV, Getwa King'ori wa Gatundu.